So next up, we're going to do some pre-masking. We got our roll of pre-mask on our upper supply shaft, or our auto grip unwind. We have our, we've actually removed our take-up for our release liner because we don't have a release liner on pre-mask, so there's no need for it, so we're just going to make it, clear things out of the way and make it easier. And then we also removed our print hold-down bar. We're going to start with that off so we have a little more room when we're doing this web process. The first thing I would do is, once we have this process, is I'm going to raise my roller up pretty much almost to the top, so I have a solid gap in here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through, and I'm just going to take the pre-mask, and I'm actually going to bring it down and just spin it with the roller and kind of get it to the back of the machine. And then I'm going to come back to the back, and I'm going to just grab it from the back side and just pull it and just tack it to the back of the table. And just let it hold it there for a sec, for now. So when I come to the front, what I want to look at is, I want to see how this looks. The should be flat against the roller, no wrinkles or anything. If I do see any wrinkles or ripples, I would go to the back, pull up on the pre-mask, pull it another ½ inch or so and clear that up, and then tape it back, tack it back down. But we're good right now, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our roll of prints, and we're just going to pull up on it, and we're just going to send it, and just what we want to do is we're going to bring our roller down, and we don't want that pre-mask going to the roller, so we're just going to bring it and cover our bottom roller. So we're going to bring it far enough to where we're over past the end of the orange roller. We're going to hold our print in place, hold it flat, watch our hands, don't put our hands in the roller, and we're going to bring this down. And all I would do is I would bring it down to the point where it's just the rollers touch, which the roller stops and touches. You don't have to add really any more pressure on it. If we want, we can just give it just a little tad more, but that pre-mask will stick pretty easily. And then finally, we'll take our print hold down bar just to keep our roll of prints flat, out of the photo eye, keep anything out here like hands or anything from possibly going in between the rollers as it's running, just as a safety precaution. And we'll close this up and tighten these down. And what I would do, because pre-mask is pretty simple, I just reach back here, remember our run button, lift up, and then hit run and let it go.